How are you?
I am good. And what about you?
I'm also good. So tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, you know that my name is Amit Ravaria, and
Okay.
I am now time I am doing job in BPO sector,
Okay.
and I am
Well,
from Indore, Madhya Pradesh.
okay. One more in. Actually, I recently talking with three person in Madhya Pradesh, and you're the third person now.
Yeah,
I think I think Madhya Pradesh people are watching my video more. That's why. You're the third
yeah.
person I'm talking with MP. In this Sunday coming Sunday, I was talking with one girl. He's from Ra. What's
Who is
the
from?
Ra? I don't know the state MP and what
I
is
think
the um,
I think she is from
Riva
Chhattisgarh.
Riva. No Riva.
Riva. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's right.
she belong from Riva. Yeah, this told me. So you're from Indore.
Yeah,
Okay.
from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. And
Okay, okay.
what about you? Tell me something about you.
As you know, my name is Sonam, and
Yeah.
I stay in Mumbai. Uh, and now I'm doing the job as an account assistant in real estate company.
Yeah.
And and also pursuing my MBA. My MBA is going on exam.
So Mumbai is your native place?
No. Mumbai is not my native place. I'm from UP, from Banaras.
Okay.
Yes. But I born and brought up in Mumbai.
So when did you come in Mumbai?
Sorry.
When did you come in Mumbai?
I am in Mumbai. I stay in Mumbai. Right now I'm staying in Mumbai. I
Yeah. Uh,
I'm
I am
telling you
asking
my
you,
name. Yes, tell me.
when did you come in Mumbai?
When did you, I
Yeah.
I'm telling you I was born and brought up in Mumbai.
Okay.
Yes. But my native place is you are asking about my native place is UP Uttar Pradesh from in Uttar Pradesh from Banaras.
Yeah.
Yes.
But you are living more in Mumbai.
Yes. During the lockdown period, I was going my village for 2 or 3 months because everybody is going for a native place because there is a corona, so we cannot go outside. That's why
Yeah.
everybody is going for village. So
Yeah.
tell me
I
something about what are your student or what is your education?
I have completed BA.
BA. Okay.
Yeah. And I am thinking that after BA I take MBA. I want to MBA.
Okay, you want to do the MBA also.
Yeah.
Okay, so in BPO, which process you are working, inbound or outbound process?
I am doing in Flipkart process.
Okay, because
Uh,
in BPO do two process, I think, inbound or outbound process. Because
I
yes, tell me.
I am working in domestic process.
Okay. So you're calling customer or customer you're calling in your
Uh, cus-
company?
uh, Customer call us.
Okay, customer call us, then you are reply.
Yeah.
So this is called the inbound process.
Yeah.
When you are calling to the customer, it's called the outbound process. Because in my initial when I'm starting my doing the job, I was working in the call center in 1 year. So I have the idea about the call center. That is why I'm asking to you.
So you have also done a job in BPO sector.
Yes, I have done the job in BPO. My process is like a ICICI Bank customer. I'm calling to the ICICI Bank customer who is the ICICI Bank customer. We are selling the insurance product in
Okay,
that.
okay, I understood.
Yes.
So I watch daily news about India. So in Maharashtra, there is every day rising more cases about coronavirus.
Yes,
So how is condition
yes.
in your city?
Uh, Now the condition is very bad because we are not. I'm going to the office because in my office I have a permission to go for going, but more than office are closed. They are working from the home now. The time and the all the shops are closed in morning 11 o'clock. Only to 7 to 11 o'clock shops will be open, and
Yeah.
after 11 o'clock all the shops are closed, and we can if we are not necessary to anything, so we cannot move the outside. That it's complete
But in
lockdown in Mumbai. Yes.
yeah, in our city, sorry, my sister is called me.
Okay, okay, no problem.
But in our city, everything is closed. Shops and all things are closed in lockdown period.
Yes, here is also closed. Here is also closed. Only the essentials
Yeah,
uh,
you can say the
requirement is open.
milk shop also open, and
Yes,
grocery shop also open.
yes, and medical.
Yeah, medical is also important.
I
Medical and
think
hospital is very important
those
thing.
I think those have a medical shops they can enjoy. They don't have the issue of the money because they earn the money this time, and all the people are suffering because of like money problem, and they people are enjoying now. What do you
Doctor
think about
and
that?
yeah, doctor and businessmen and medical shoppermen, they enjoy very well now time.
Yes, yes, yes. Their
But
business is running high.
but poor people is suffering
Yes, yes,
from
correct.
from 1 year, from 1 years.
Yes, you're correct.
So so Sonam, why do you want to learn English?
Why I want learn English, as I told in my video, because in future I want to work in MNC company. You know the MNC company, multinational company. So there is a people are fluent in English, speaking in English fluently. So when I want to do the job in MNC company, so that's why I'm improving my English, because now the time my English is not that much level to go in that company. That's why.
Yeah, you are and my condition is same, almost same. I am also want to
Yes.
learning English because I want to go international process in BPO sector. In now
Okay.
time, my English is not very good. I
Yes.
want to improve my English.
Okay. So what you do for your improving your
They are talk to me in English.
okay, okay,
Yeah, we practice daily. We do practice
okay.
daily. Yeah.
Okay, so now you're doing, sorry, you're joined recently Clappingo, or how many days you're joining?
I have taken 6 to 7 session to clapping go.
Okay, okay, six to
Recently, I
seven
have
days.
joined. Yeah, recently I
Oh,
have joined.
okay, okay,
Before
okay,
before previous week, I don't talk to another people.
okay, okay, okay. So now your hesitation problem is removed, I think. So you can now talk with me very well. Because it's a happen when we, because I was same. I'm not talking with any people like you're telling me right now. I'm
Yeah,
not good, because my level is also, but now I am like every day I'm speaking with tutor now, so I was little bit improve myself now.
yeah. I got one thing. Whenever I talk to my senior person who has no more English to me, when
Okay.
I feel hesitate. But
Okay.
when I talk to my level person, like you and my friends, when
Okay.
I am not I don't feel hesitate.
Okay. Yeah, it's happened, right? Because we are thinking, no, if we and you are the same level, so it's not any like a embarrassing feeling when we
Yeah,
connect with the person who is very fluent in English. So we feel like embarrassed. That's the
yeah,
thing. Yes, yes, correct. It's happened with me also sometimes.
yeah.
But now the this thing is I'm removing myself because I don't feel like if the person is fluent with me, so I can learn more things when I speak with them. I don't know your see my video or not. I'm talking with Arif Otto. He's a
Yeah, I have
YouTuber.
watched these
Yes,
videos.
as you know, you see, he is very well in speaking.
Yeah, he's very
So
fluent in English.
yeah, that's why I want to speak with him because he's a very fluent person. So how much I learn with them. That's why I'm joining with conversation with him.
So daily you are doing practice with the Arif Auto.
No. I just take the one session because he is very busy person. He is daily conversation with another person, as you know. But now I'm also now the everyday conversation with new people. Now because today you're and next day another person. Now I also starting that thing.
Yeah, yesterday I also took one session with Arif Auto.
Okay.
Yeah, he's very good in English.
Yes. He's very
And
good,
I want
and one thing he's
that.
not so educated, but uh, he
He is,
learn a lot of things. That's why he's not now
yeah,
is very fluent.
yeah, you are saying right.
Yes.
So, what do you do apart from clapping web to learn English?
Okay. I have a one book, Rapidex English Speaking books. There is
Yeah,
some English things. So if you want to correct like a grammar things, you can learn in this book, and many so vocabulary also available. So I learn daily read that book, Rapidex, and I watch all the English video. TEDx is one of the YouTube channels. I watch that YouTube channel. In there the celebrity are giving the speeches, so I listen that speech so I can learn also that speech, and watching the English movie with subtitle,
yeah,
it's coming below the
yeah.
subtitle. That all the things I'm doing right now for improving my English.
And how much time are you doing talking daily basis?
Now the time I am at least 1 hour daily, 9 to 10 between I am talking with
Yeah.
person.
So I want to say something to you. I want some friends for talking to in English.
Okay.
So you should talk me.
Uh,
Are you
because
able? Are you able to talk me with daily conversation?
See, I'm not available every day because, as you know, I have doing the job. So 10 to 7 is my job timing, and every day I have received the message for other person I want to talk with you. So I'm also giving the time to talking with you. That's why if I have any time free, so I inform you. Then you will connect with me next time.
Yeah, I don't want regular, but I want
Okay.
after 2 3 days.
uh, I'm not like giving promise to you because I'm not think like I don't have the
Not
time. That's
promise.
why.
uh,
Because
I want to
yes,
say, I want to say whenever you are free, then you send me
yeah,
message.
definitely. Yes, yes, yes. Definitely, definitely. Whenever I have the time, na, I send you message so we can connect. Okay.
because I have also less time for improving English.
Yeah.
I want, yeah, I want to early in international process.
Okay,
That's
okay,
why
okay. No.
I want more practice.
Yes, definitely want to more practice, and I also want to more practice because we are both in the same level of English. So yeah, if I have the time, so we can definitely connect with you. Okay.
Okay, so thank you for pleasure time.
Yes, thank you for your coming in my channel and watching my video and talking with me. I'm so happy the person is coming. Yes, tell me.
I am also learning to your channel.
Thank you so much. Because in before now before the YouTube channel and Clappingo, I was finding the people. So talking with I was talking with anybody. So that time I don't get the person. Now
Yeah,
the YouTube I won't get more person, but I don't
yeah,
have the time to talk with them.
yeah.
That's what happened with me.
It is right. That's happening with me.
Yes, yes. It's the problem. So, okay. Anything
Okay,
else you want to?
I want to ask you last question. How is
Okay.
my English?
Your English is
I
good.
can
I
improve
can,
it.
yeah, definitely improvement is required in your English. But one thing I'll see in your talking, you can convey your message. I can understand whatever you're telling. That's the
Yeah,
thing is important in English. So now you can speak, but as how can I tell you what the thing you require? But you have the some grammatical mistake also you are doing,
yeah, it
and
is.
some vocabulary word are required. That's the thing
Yeah,
is important. Yeah, for the normal conversation you can conversation anybody, I think
but
so, because you're
but
not
you are
hesitated.
but whatever I said, you are understand.
Yes, yes, I am understand everything. So keep on practice with other
Yeah,
person, with your friends, and also so you can improve also. And please you're joining the clapping go na, you also improve it. So because to whom tutor you connect to?
with Akira Jyotish ma'am and
Okay,
Praveen Khan.
okay,
This
okay,
two this two tutor is my favorite tutor.
okay. Yeah,
They
I
are
have.
tempting.
Yes, yes, yes. These two are also my favorite also, because they are when they speaking, it's not like we hesitate, and it's like a friendly conversation. It's not
Yeah,
like a tutor and all that things. It's not feel like that. But I'm more like to Divyam Jain, because when I was speaking with him, the way he's explaining when I'm doing any wrong mistake, the way he's explaining
yeah,
me, I also like that. That's why I
yeah.
just
I have watched your YouTube channel. You have lots of practice with Divyam sir.
yes, yes, yes. Because of the time he is not available. That's why I want all the session with him, because when I'm talking with one person, so we can connect. Where is my English? So he also understand. So it's connectivity, or going on. If we going to the another tutor, so we can introduce ourselves. Then he or she might be, and then understand or not. That's the thing is happen. That is why I want to connect only the one tutor, so he can understand me.
Yeah, same thing. According to me, we should practice with only one tutor until when our grammar is not completed.
Yes,
If
yes,
our
yes.
grammar and if our grammar is completed, after that we will talk to another tutor.
Right, right.
This
It's
is right.
correct. Yeah, that is my thinking also. You, if you like, you can also do that, because I'm telling my my thinking to you. because everybody is saying she is talking with Divyam only because the Divyam sir is very famous. So the people are thinking I am talking with him for the YouTube thing because the everybody is watching for the and one I think one person has written in my comment box she get the view because of the Divyam Jain. That's why the people are thinking I don't know because we are coming for the learning.
It is people work, but
Yeah.
what we have suitable, then I we can do.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So for today, it is enough.
Yes. Yes. Because I have the one more conversation with another person. I am giving the 9:30 time. Is
Yeah.
actually is also waiting. That's why. So now I can give this conversation.